There are several ways to select a supplier for placing mass production order. But how to select the right one? Some of our clients choose to test first samples back in their countries using in-house capacities or third-party labs. Is there a more time and cost-effective solution? There is. At eTrust, we offer a first samples check service, which is becoming more and more popular among our clients. The samples are sent to our eTrust laboratory, where we test them according to all points of your specification on professional equipment and by our technical engineers. After testing several samples from different suppliers, we send you the test results and you can clearly see which of the samples was the best. Our technical engineers can also outline recommendations based on international standards and help with making the right decision. This cost-effective way enables you to make the decision based on reliable and immediate results with support of our technical engineers. Contact us to find the best way of testing your first samples to save time and costs.